So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my eggplant on my own version. So this is how I make or I cook the eggplant here. First thing is I'm going to cook this on my air fryer. So this, I'm going to cut this in the middle. So the reason why I have a meat here that I left over from my cheesy lasagna that I cooked before. This is coming from meat I cook with onion and green bell pepper. And that's all. I didn't add any salt, just the oregano powder in the middle. Cheese here. And let's see, can do something on that. This is a mozzarella cheese. I love mozzarella. Olive oil on top of it. Alright. Okay. I can add a little bit of mozzarella. Look at that, guys. So on the air fryer, and that I will put in 20 minutes for 180 degrees for time being. So let's see after 20 minutes. So this will be my healthy lunch. An eggplant, cheesy, whatever, mozzarella, and I have a little bit of meat over there. Alright, so let me try. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna eat now. I just wanna try it. I'm gonna need to wait for like maybe 30 minutes and get rest. Alright. Oh my god, this is yummy, delicious, healthy lunch. I'm gonna enjoy this later. I'm still tired. This is so perfect. The cheese, the taste of the meat, and the eggplant. And guys, you have to be creative. So if you plan to lose weight, me, before I go to the bed at night, thinking, what I'm going to do tomorrow. So, then this is the one popping up in my head because I still have a leftover meat from my lasagna cheese last week. I put it in the freezer, so that That's the one I use. See? Matipid na. Sulit na sulit pa. Healthy pa, di ba? Doble-doble. Tipid, sulit. Share some of my creative food that I'm making. So, stay safe, stay healthy.